Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Sabina Martin alleges government of using casino employees to regularize irregularities. Goa celebrates Sonsar Padvo with great enthusiasm. Parents of students in unaided private schools oppose arbitrary fee hike. After cancellation of Sanad issued to a dead person, Damu Naik alleges GP Naik's role in irregulations, demands his suspension. Engineering college students suspend strike after assurance from registrar. And young women battle it out at the National Boxing Championship at Kalangut. Now the news in detail. Convener of Bailanso Sad, Sabina Martin, informed that they condemn the action by the Congress government of promoting casinos in the state. She also claimed that the government is merely using the employees of the casinos for regularizing irregularities.
We condemn the Congress government policy of promoting casinos. The government is using the employees to regularize irregularities, and this is condemnable.
She also demanded that a bill needs to be introduced in the assembly to revoke the amendment which permits casinos in the state.
If the government is serious in stopping casinos and its ill effects, then a bill has to be introduced in the assembly to revoke this amendment which permits casinos.
Sabina said that shifting the casinos to Aguada Bay is no way stopping the operation of casinos, and hence asked the people not to vote for the people who promote casinos.
Shifting the casinos away from Mandovi River. Now, shifting the casinos from the Mandovi River will only help ease congestion in the Mandovi River. It does not stop the ill effects of casinos. So, we are giving a call to the people that do not vote for people who promote casinos.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli.
The Sonsar Padvo marks the beginning of the Hindu New Year. It is considered as one of the auspicious days to start new business ventures. The Hindu calendar begins with the onset of the Vasant season in Chaitra. The first day of the month is known as the Chaitra Shukla Pratipada. In various parts of Goa, the New Year celebration was observed with various cultural performances.
The bamboo staff or gudi is erected in front of the house. A new cloth is then tied to the gudi. A bright garlanded gudi is hung on top of it. This is symbolic of achievement. This gudi is devotedly worshipped and the prasad is distributed among all the members of the family. The prasad on the occasion of Gudi Padwa is very different. It is made up of tender neem leaves. According to the popular belief, this prasad strengthens your immunity system and you can fight diseases better. On this day, people indulge themselves in buying vehicles. In the state, people were seen buying 4-wheelers as well as 2-wheelers. This day is considered as one of the auspicious days to buy any property or asset.
कस्टमर पाडव्या खातीर गेले 4 दिसांपासून येवपाक सुरू जाले आनी आमचे मडगांव वास्को पणजे आनी म्हापसा ह्या 4 लोकेशनान मेळून 185 गाडयो आज आमी डिलिव्हरी करतली. ऑलरेडी आमचे अरावंड 60-65 जाले आसतल्यो आनी उरिल्ल्यो आतां वतल्यो 2-2.5 पर्यंत.
आजच्या दिसा कशें रजिस्ट्रेशन जालें?
हय आमचे एज ऑनलायन रजिस्ट्रेशन आसा म्हणजेच आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लम ना. 5-6 रजिस्ट्रेशन आमी सकाळच्यान केलें.
On the occasion of Sonsar Padwa, women and men took out Prabhat Feri at early morning at Bicholi. Later, all women performed puja of rising sun, praying for a good beginning of a new year. Anil Samant, Samiti President Ramakant Shetye, Aruna Patnekar and others were present for the function. Anil Samant said that there is need to preserve our Indian tradition and culture.
आज आपल्या देशामधले ज्या ज्या समस्या आहेत, समाजामध्ये समस्या आहेत आणि कुटुंबामध्ये समस्या आहेत, त्या समस्यांची मुळं जर कुठे असतील, वरवर आपल्याला काही वेगळ्या गोष्टी दिसत असतील, परंतु मुळं जर कुठे असतील तर आपण कुठेतरी आपल्या भारतीय संस्कृतीने जे काही विचार आपल्याला दिले, जे काही मूल्य आपल्याला दिले, त्या मूल्यापासून कुठेतरी दूर आपण गेलेलो असू. आपली मुळं आपल्या मातीमध्ये घट्ट रुतलेली नसतील, त्यांना नीट जलसिंचन केलेलं नसेल, त्यामुळे कुटुंबामध्ये आणि राष्ट्रामध्ये प्रश्न निर्माण झालेले आहेत. आणि म्हणून ते प्रश्न जर सोडवायचे असतील तर पुन्हा एकदा आपली मुळं शोधण्याची गरज आहे.
Women with their traditional look were seen with traditional lamps performing puja at Kumarzue. The puja of Gudi, which was erected high in the sky, was performed. This is one of the way to come together, keeping all our differences behind and welcome a new year of peace and prosperity. The Sansar Padwa at Kankon was celebrated with pomp and joy. Dr. Suraj Kanekar, Shirish Rao Bhidsgaonkar, Pandurang Gaokar, Arvind Desai, Babu Komarpant, Kashinath Vaze and others were present for the program. Dr. Suraj Kanekar said that patriotism is the supreme religion.
पर्यात आम्ही जर तर भारतवर्ष म्हणता आणि भारत राष्ट्र म्हणता, आज जर तर राष्ट्र किंवा भारत मातेची जी दयनीय स्थिती झाली असा त्या सगळ्या खातीर आम्ही जबाबदार असा. आणि ही स्थिती जर तर चेंज करू जाय जाल्यार प्रत्येकानं नवो संकल्प घेवं जाय. नवो संकल्प म्हणजे एक नवो देव म्हणजे राष्ट्र देव जो असा, ह्या सगळ्या राष्ट्र देवाची पूजा करपा खातीर आज सगळ्यांनी तयार रावूं जाय. आणि सगळ्यांत जर तर धर्म श्रेष्ठ जाल्यार आज प्रत्येकाच्या मनात दिसूं जाय की राष्ट्र धर्म सगळ्यांत श्रेष्ठ असा.
Shirish Rao Bhidsgaonkar also spoke on the occasion.
आजपर्यंत आपल्या कोकणी भाषेला असा सन्मान मिळाला नव्हता, परंतु कोकणी भाषेतल्या लेखकांना ज्ञानपीठ पारितोषिक मिळालं. संस्कृत भाषेलाही असा कधी सन्मान आजपर्यंत मिळाला नव्हता. कोकणी आणि संस्कृत या दोन्ही भाषांना ज्ञानपीठ पारितोषिक देणारं हे गेलं वर्ष ठरलं. अशा अनेक आनंद देणाऱ्या गोष्टी गेल्या वर्षी घडल्या, हे खरं आहे.
Agrapithadishwar Dr. Raghavacharya Vedanti Maharaj, Param Pujya Harishankar Maharaj, along with other citizens of Mapsa were present at the function of Sausar Padwa in Mapsa. A cultural program was also held on the occasion to entertain people. A fancy dress competition for children was also held on the occasion. Children were seen depicting national heroes. Mapsa MLA Francis D'Souza and Suren Sirsat were also present. Our reporter from Mapsa Sham Sundar Farte, from Panji Devidas Kamli, from Kumarzue Sani Narvekar, from Kankon Prasad Pagi, and from Bicholi Uday Parab.
Parents of private high school students do not want hike in arbitrary fees. Damu Naik takes on ex-additional collector over alleged scams, and engineering students give a deadline for imposing ATKT. Watch all this on the other side of the break. Stay tuned.